Picture this. It's the year 1066. A fiery star with a long, shimmering tail blazes across the night sky. For King Harold of England, it's a terrifying omen. For William the Conqueror, across the Channel, it's a sign of divine favor. This celestial visitor was Halley's Comet, and its appearance is immortalized in the Biar tapestry, a silent witness to a turning point in history. The Battle of Hastings would soon rage, and a kingdom would change hands. Was it destiny written in the stars, or just a cosmic coincidence? For centuries, comets were seen as harbingers of doom, messengers of plague, war, and the fall of kings. And Halley's Comet, with its predictable 76-year cycle, has been a recurring character in the grand drama of human history. Fast forward to 1910. Science has advanced. We now understand that Halley's Comet is not a divine portent, but a giant, icy snowball orbiting the sun. Yet, when astronomers announced that Earth would pass through the comet's tail, a new kind of fear, cloaked in the language of science, gripped the globe. The tail, they discovered, contained a toxic gas called sut. Newspapers ran sensational headlines. Are we to be gassed by a comet? The public imagination ignited with terror. Was humanity about to be poisoned by a celestial drive-by? The resulting panic was a spectacle to behold. People sealed their windows and doors with paper and rags. Churches held all-night prayer vigils. Con artists hawked anti-comet pills and gas masks, preying on the public's fear. One man in Oklahoma even tried to sacrifice a young girl to ward off the cosmic threat, thankfully being stopped by the sheriff. It was a bizarre mix of medieval superstition and modern anxiety. People gathered on rooftops, not just to witness the spectacle, but to see if it would be their last dawn. The night of May 18th, 1910, came and went. The world did not end. Not a single person was harmed by the comet's tail. So, what really happened? Scientists had tried to reassure everyone. The gases in the tail were so incredibly diffuse, so thin, that they would have no effect whatsoever on Earth's dense atmosphere. The planet's magnetic field would act as a protective shield, deflecting the comet's particles. It was the equivalent of a single drop of poison in an entire ocean. But fear, amplified by a sensationalist press, proved far more potent than scientific reason. The 1910 panic wasn't about the cosmos. It was about us. It showed how Israeli misinformation can spread and how primal fears can resurface, even in an age of supposed enlightenment. From a king's dread in 1066 to a worldwide panic in 1910, Halley's Comet has held a mirror up to humanity. It reflects our greatest fears, our boundless curiosity, and our evolving understanding of the universe. The comet itself is just ice and dust on a long, lonely journey. The stories, the drama, the terror, and the wonder we create all of that ourselves. Right here on Earth, Halley's Comet will return in 2061. What story will we tell then? What will its appearance reveal about the people we've become? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more stories from history and science. See you next time.